Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $2,000? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer under $2,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer is a powerful machine designed for makers who need versatility and large print capacity. It features a spacious 300 by 300 by 400 mm build volume, independent dual extruders with all-metal direct drive systems, and a 32-bit silent motherboard with TMC 2209 drivers for quieter operation. With IDEX technology, it supports multiple print modes including dual color, dual material, mirror, and duplicate printing, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. The printer comes equipped with auto-leveling, a flexible magnetic build plate for easy part removal, filament runout detection, and power loss recovery for reliable performance. It supports a wide range of filaments such as PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, PC, and more, with nozzle temperatures reaching up to 260 to 280 degrees Celsius and a heated bed up to 100 degrees Celsius. While it offers excellent flexibility and print quality, it is a large and heavy unit that requires significant workspace and careful calibration to align the dual extruders properly. Overall, the Sovol SV04 is a strong choice for users who want large-scale, multi-material printing, though it may be more than necessary for beginners or those with limited space. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 is a high-performance resin 3D printer built for speed, precision, and reliability. It features a large 10.1-inch 14K monochrome screen with a resolution of 13,312 x 5,120, delivering exceptional detail and sharpness with an XY accuracy of about 16.8 by 24.8 microns. Its generous build volume of 223 by 126 by 230 mm, 8.77 x 4.96 x 9.05, allows for printing larger models or multiple parts at once, while the advanced Li-Turbo 3.0 system, using a COB light source with Fresnel optics, ensures even exposure and strong layer adhesion. Capable of printing up to 150 mm per hour with high-speed resin, and around 90 mm per hour with standard resin, it significantly reduces print times without sacrificing quality. Intelligent features such as resin level monitoring, print failure detection, and platform installation checks further improve ease of use and reliability. Overall, the Photon Mono M7 is ideal for users who want a balance of speed, high resolution, and smart functions in a resin printer. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3. The official Creality Ender 3 is a fully open-source FDM 3D printer known for its affordability, reliability, and strong community support, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84, providing enough space for medium-sized projects while maintaining a compact footprint. The printer features a resume printing function that allows recovery after power loss or interruptions, minimizing failed prints. With a sturdy aluminum frame, quick heating build plate, and wide compatibility with popular filaments like PLA, ABS, and PETG, it balances performance and cost effectively. Easy to assemble and fully customizable thanks to its open-source design, the Ender 3 has become one of the most popular entry-level 3D printers for makers, students, and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. ANYCUBIC 3D Printer Kobra 2 Neo. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is a fast and beginner-friendly FDM 3D printer that delivers both speed and ease of use. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84, and supports print speeds up to 250 mm per second, with 150 mm per second recommended for optimal quality. Equipped with the LeviQ 2.0 auto-leveling system and Smart Z offset adjustment, it ensures reliable first-layer adhesion and reduces setup hassle. The printer uses a PEI magnetic spring steel build plate for effortless part removal and supports materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU with a maximum nozzle temperature of 260 degrees Celsius and a heated bed reaching 110 degrees Celsius. Weighing around 7.3 kilograms, it is lightweight, easy to assemble, and features a 2.4-inch color LCD with knob control for straightforward operation, making it a solid choice for beginners and hobbyists who want a balance of speed, reliability, and convenience. Number 5. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV04 is a large-format IDEX 3D printer that features independent dual direct drive metal extruders, allowing for dual color, dual material, mirror, and duplicate printing. With a spacious 300 by 300 by 400 mm build volume, it provides ample space for big projects while maintaining versatility for smaller prints. It comes equipped with auto-leveling via BL touch style sensor, a flexible magnetic spring steel build plate for easy part removal, and a 32-bit silent motherboard with TMC 2209 drivers for quieter operation. The printer supports a maximum hot end temperature of around 260 degrees Celsius and a heated bed up to 100 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with materials such as PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU. Additional features like filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and a responsive touchscreen interface add to its reliability. Measuring about 653 by 625 by 803 mm and weighing around 15 kilograms, the Sovol SV04 is a robust machine suited for makers who want large-scale, multi-material printing with advanced functionality.